Oktoberfest!
Sorry, sir. This is a harvest festival. No alcohol. I'm gonna have to confiscate those steins.
This winning cornucopia is magnificent. Styrofoam?
You stuffed your horn?
No!
Dad, look! A corn maze.
Bet you can't solve our maze. We're leaving!
Dad, we're in the maze.
Maybe we should split up.
Split up? Marge, no! We can fix this marriage!
No, I didn't mean...
Fine, you want out? Then go. I can make it on my own.
I just meant we should split up to get out of this corn maze.
Deep down, I guess I knew that.
Now, there must be a way out.
Of our marriage? I don't want to live! I'm so sick of being lost. To hell with maze etiquette. I'm walking straight out of here. Go! Damn it! Just go!
Now, don't worry, ma'am. We'll send a member of our elite canine unit in to find your husband's corpse. Living corpse. Say hello to Officer Jaws.
I'm lost and I'm starving.
Eat some corn!
I don't have any holders.
Don't worry. Our dog will find my dad. We need you, boy! We need you, boy!
To my wife, Marge, in case I don't make it, here are my Oscar picks for next year. Best sound effects editing, the team from... Huh?
Has he ever thought about a career in law enforcement?
Boy, it is gonna be so cool when you're a police dog. Good boy. Now, transform.
Nice work, canines. Bring in the next group.
Listen to me, Rook. These streets are hard. It ain't like Air Bud 5 strong armored apart.
You gave that hog a day of beauty, and I didn't get nothing. Manicure, pedicure, exfoliation. What's the matter, Bart?
Oh, I miss Santa's little helper. I wanted him to be a police dog, but now he has no time for me. I even have to eat my own homework.
Hey, can you set us up down here?
So, you got any steroids?
Oh, you know it. I can make you huge. Freeze! Ha! Nobody ever freezes. Might as well just say run.
Well, I'm afraid because of this improperly filled out police report, I have no choice but to let you go. Case dismissed.
Oh, don't worry, dude. I'm going straight. Straight to my customers to sell more drugs.
Boy, you're back! Ow! You bit me! I can't believe it. My own dog bit me.
Now that he's had a taste of human flesh, the dog will be a slave to its succulence.
Oh, I love Santa's little helper, but I don't know if we can have him in our home anymore.
Mom, you can't send him away. He's a dog, not Grandpa.
Forget it, kid. He's a cop now.
Well, I bet he can't resist this. Fetch, boy! My God, I've lost him.
You can live with me now, cause only cops understand cops.
Hey, Lou. Want a party tonight?
I don't want a new dog. I want my old dog, the one who bit me.
Cheer up, boy. We'll get you their most vicious street cur. He'll bite your ass raw.
No street curs.
He is so awesome. I already love him more than I love Lisa.
It says here, don't bother naming them. Snakes have poor hearing and only live to strangle.
I like it. Strangles.
After months of practice, I have trained my rabbit to hop in perfect tempo.
Bart Simpson, you can't bring a python to school.
The snake's getting away!
Ah!
The snake must be in there.
Hey, Lou, what's your favorite thing in the world so I can dump all over that? Deadly toxic cloud! Deadly toxic cloud!
Bart's missing. He must still be in the school.
Here, Strangles. Strangles? Strangles? You came to save me. Santa's little helper? You came too.
And saved! Hero cop saves boy! Hero cop saves boy!
Don't worry. I'll give you a home.